What a fun, relaxing day. Should probably comb my hair, wash my hands, take a shower. Let's just brush my hair real quick. Wait, where's my hairbrush? I can't see it. Where the heck did my hairbrush go? Mom, did you take it? No, sweetie, I didn't take it. Ugh, well, I better head off to work. Better go change. Okay, I have my outfit on. Let's head off to work. Let's just get to my door. Okay, open my gate. Close it. And now get onto my bike. Now let's just head on down. Okay. Man, I really miss me and Flower being neighbors. Yeah. Well, she's moved on down to above the grocery store, so I no longer can come. Oh wait, I just went right by my working place. This is where I'm supposed to work. A few hours later. Is it lunch break? Yes, finally. Now let's just head my bike on down to the diner area. Okay, now time to get some food. Okay, finally can head back to work. That was a good lunch. Okay. That was such a good lunch. Okay. So, back at the ice cream store. Finally time to get to bed, get home. Oh, that feels so good to not be in that uncomfortable uniform anymore. Let's just get into home, get onto my bike, and just ride on home. I hope Flower's doing okay. She didn't come to work today. But I'm really just hoping. I remember that run that Robert robbed me and Flower. I just remember that. I'm so tired. I can see Flower's old house. I just miss this all. I just miss her living next to me. I don't even know. Well, Flower's in her apartment. I know that's where she is. But I think it's time to finally go to bed. Good night. Good night, world.